Hi friends, in today's class I'll be discussing about various social media platforms. Okay, so in what platforms we can promote ourselves and all, and what is social media optimization tips for social media optimization and all these things will be discussed. So let's see. So nowadays, most of the time, people are spending on social media itself. It may be Facebook, it may be YouTube, it may be Twitter, Instagram, whatever it may be. So people are spending most of their time on social media. So it is very important to bring some awareness on social media also about our business. It may be okay. It may be about our business or it may be about our products. Okay, so it is very essential to promote on social media platforms also, right? So let's see about various social media platforms and all. Okay, so first we all know about Facebook. Let's speak about that. Facebook. Okay, so actually in case of Facebook, we can promote with the help of images. We can also promote with the help of videos. We can also write text, I think. Okay, so let me go to Facebook and show. All right, this is the Facebook account. Okay, so in case of Facebook, we can post pictures, we can also post videos, we can also post text and all. Okay, so in the same way, this is known as feed. Okay, feed, I mean memes, might be memes or might be posts depending upon the platform, social media platform. The terminology will differ. Here in Facebook we call them as posts. Okay, so in Instagram the terminology will be bit different in the same way. Okay, so here we can also write some stories. Okay, they may disappear after 24 hours like such. In case of WhatsApp we'll be putting stories, right? In the same way here also you can put some stories. But here in case of Facebook, there are two types of Facebook pages. Okay, one is personal page and other is a business page. Personal page and business page, you all know about this personal page. So right, so if you are having a normal Facebook profile, then it is known as personal page. Okay, so if you want to promote your business through Facebook, then you must have a business page. Okay, like this. So see, you have created a page. If you see in Facebook also, we will be able to create some pages. Okay, so they are known as business pages. With the help of those business pages, we can promote our business. Okay, so in case of personal page also, we can post. Okay, we can post something, we can post images, videos, whatever it may be. So how many people they may reach? If you post anything like this, how many people they may reach?
Your followers.
Yes, it will reach up to my friends or to my friends of friends. Okay, so in order to reach huge number of people, okay, we will be going for Facebook business page. Okay, if we have a business page, then we, okay, sorry, if we have a business in order to promote, then we must create a business page. Okay, in case of personal page, we can have max of 5k friend list. Okay, we can have a max of 5,000 friends, that's it. 5k friends. So if you post anything, it may reach up to those 5,000 members. Then if you want our business to reach some lakhs of members, okay, then it is the best way to create business page. Because in case of business page, we can have millions of followers. Millions of followers you can have, but in case of personal page, you can have only 5,000 friends. There is a limit to that. Okay, that's why we people go for business page. Okay, so another advantage with Facebook is, so Facebook owns other services like, okay, Instagram, it is also owned by Facebook. Facebook Messenger, where we can chat, you know, all these things, I think. Okay, and also WhatsApp is owned by Facebook. So soon in WhatsApp also promotions will start. Soon in WhatsApp also promotions will start, means we might be seeing the ads. So if we go for these Facebook promotions, if we promote our things or about our business on Facebook, we can also promote on these other platforms which are owned by Facebook. Okay, so that is one of the best advantages of promoting on Facebook. As Facebook owned all these services also, our ad will be shown upon these things also. Okay, so with the help of this social media marketing or Facebook marketing, we can build a brand awareness. Okay, so it may reach up to more people. Okay, as people are spending most of their time on Facebook or Insta, like social media platforms. Okay, so we can build a good brand awareness. Okay, so and also after we run ads on Facebook, so if you see, this is a sponsored ad. Okay, after we run ads on Facebook, okay, we can see insights like how many people clicked on it, which aged people are viewing my ad, okay, how much I spent on my ads, like that, everything we can see. So let me go here, or I'll choose one business page. So if you see, this is a business page. So here, if you click on the left hand side, this is actually the beta version of Facebook, new version of Facebook. The look and feel has totally changed recently. Okay, so insights, see, like this, it will be showing you entire results and all. Okay, how many people it reached and all. So I'll choose lifetime. Um, Last 28 days and all. Okay, so you can also see audience. Okay, how many people liked. Okay, how many followers you are having on Instagram. All these things, gender and age, which aged people are clicking on your ad, which cities are most interested in your ad. Okay, so see, you can learn about your audience once your page has at least 100 page likes. Top countries, okay, like this, you'll be getting entire idea and overview after you run your ads on Facebook. Okay, so and with the help of Facebook, you can also reach audience that are present on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and all. Okay, you can also run your ads on those platforms also, because those services are also owned by Facebook. Okay, so and another thing is, we can also do remarketing with the help of Facebook. Have you observed? So, if you might have gone to Amazon, the same example again. Okay, you might have placed the product in the cart, but you haven't made any payment. Then, if you come to Facebook and all also, okay, it may be Amazon or any other selling platform also. Okay, so have you observed the ad will be following you even on Facebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is known as a remarketing. We can also do remarketing with the help of Facebook. Okay, so for this we have to place Facebook pixel code. It is known as pixel code. Okay, I have to place the Facebook pixel code in our website. Okay, then we can retarget visitors with Facebook ads also. When they come to Facebook, when they are spending some time on Facebook, we can show our ads and we can again make them buy our product. Okay, so we can also schedule our ad. Okay, we can also schedule our ad with the help of Facebook, and also we can link our WhatsApp account and Instagram account with Facebook also. Okay, so I'll also show you in the future classes. I'll also be showing you how to link up your Instagram account and WhatsApp account on Facebook, like such. Okay, and also if someone comes to your page, you can show your number here. Okay, as this is my page, I'm not able to show you. Okay, so here, see, contact us, like this. I can keep my number in contact us. They'll be, when they click on that thing, they can directly contact me. You can also keep it as WhatsApp. Okay, so edit button, follow, contact us, call. We can also keep your number, send a message. Okay, you can also keep WhatsApp number also, so that they can directly WhatsApp you. Okay, like that, you can link up your WhatsApp account as well as Instagram account also with Facebook. Okay, so that people can reach you easily. Right, let's see about content now. Okay, so what
Ma'am,
can we.
WhatsApp also has a business account, ma'am.
Yes, WhatsApp also has business account. The thing with business account is we can upload our catalog items and all. We can give timings. Okay, in what timings will be available to you, like that. We can also display all those things to customer with the help of business account.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, WhatsApp also there is a business account. Instagram also will be having a professional account. Other than personal account, we'll be discussing about all those things. Okay, what kind of things can we publish on this thing? Let's see. Okay, so in case of Facebook, we can publish a variety of content like text. Okay, you can also post photos. So this Facebook and Insta, mostly media related platforms, people will be interested to see photos, images. Okay, they might be interested to see videos, they are not interested to see text here, right? So in case of Facebook and Instagram, we'll be looking more for media, we'll not be looking for text. So based on the platform, the thing we have to post should differ. Okay, here we can post text, we can also post photos or images, and then we can also post videos. Next, we can also have live FB videos. So live, some videos might be running on live. So we can also post stories. So these stories you might have seen on, you might have people known about it. They'll be present in Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all. Okay, but after 24 hours, these stories will disappear. Okay, so all these things we can post on Facebook. Okay, so and we will also be hearing about some terms like, okay, so adding friends. So how we'll add friends? With the help of a friend request. Okay, friend request. Okay, like this we'll be hearing about various terms on Facebook. So we'll also be hearing about like, if someone posts anything. Okay, if someone posts anything, we can like it, we can comment it, we can share it, we can share it with our friends. Okay, comment it means we can write some comments on it, on the post. Okay, so like, comment, share, and also link, we can link our friends. If there are any one in our post, we can link them. We can also, okay, we will also be hearing about post, we'll be posting things. Okay, tag, we can tag our friends. And then here we'll also be hearing about pages, Facebook page, we'll also be having Facebook groups. Okay, so events, we can also run events on Facebook, we can also run events on Facebook, we can play stories. Okay, etc. Like this we'll be hearing about various things on Facebook. So you can also add links if you want to post anything. See, so see, we can also, we can add images, we can tag our friends, we can also link our location, it seems. Okay, so how we are feeling like that, you can add some emojis, gifs, and all. So we can also add links. Okay, like website links and all you can add. So if you see, uh, this is an ad. Okay, sponsored ad, right? So for every 2 to 3 normal posts, means this might be a post of your friends, post related to your friends. Okay, for every 2 to 3 posts, you'll be seeing a sponsored ad. Okay, why? Because like SEO, okay, like SEO in case of Google. So with the help of SEO, we can bring our website to the top, but it will take some time. Okay. In the same way, in order to gain more and more customers, okay. So in order to reach, make our business reach more and more people, marketing is important. Here also, in order to run such kind of ads, we'll be paying some money to Facebook. Okay, so that we'll be making our business to reach more and more people. So that's about Facebook ads. So through SEO also we can do that, but the thing is, okay, so there is only 5K limit in case of personal page. That's why even if we post, our ad will be, sorry, our post will be reaching to only 5K people at max. So if you want to reach more and more amount of people, we have to go for promotions again. So anything more? So if people understood, you can also run contests, guys. In case of Facebook, you can also run contests. Next thing is, have you people heard about Facebook Marketplace? So Facebook Marketplace, here you can sell your products. We are having any products you can sell here. See, so Facebook want to okay, it wants to beat Google and Amazon like such and all, it, and it wants to be on top. That's why it is trying each and everything. Okay, so I don't know whether they'll come for 1 rupee or not. I have no idea. I haven't bought anything here. Okay, so here you can post your ads also. I mean, you can post your things if you are selling any kind of products. This is known as Facebook Marketplace. Here also you can post those things. Okay, And have you people heard about Facebook Watch? Facebook Watch. This will be also similar to YouTube. Okay, it'll be having all the videos here. In case of Facebook Watch and all, so live videos will be having live videos. It seems someone who are doing live videos you can see here. So there is a thing called Facebook Watch. Okay, where you'll be seeing all the videos only. So see, this is known as Facebook Watch. Okay, you'll be having all the videos. Okay, so like only videos will be having like YouTube, as it want to beat YouTube also, it started this Facebook Watch. Why Facebook is starting all these things? In order to retain people, okay, for more and more periods, longer and longer time, in order to retain people for longer and longer time. Okay, it has started all these things in order to entertain people and in order to keep people with it for longer periods. It started all these things. Okay, so it will be having all the videos. You can also post videos on Facebook Watch. FB Watch, FB Marketplace, and next anything more. So in this marketplace you can buy and sell products similar to OLX and Quicker. It is similar to OLX and Quicker. This Facebook marketplace will be. Okay, so try once. If you have any products and all, you can try it once. Okay, so that's about Facebook. In case of Facebook, we can go for free marketing like SEO. In case of SEO, you will not be paying any kind of money. Here also we can post our things freely without any cost. But if you want our post to reach more and more people, you have to go for sponsored ads or promoted ads. Here we'll be paying some money to Facebook, and we'll be asking Facebook to promote our ad. Okay, here also on the left hand side, on the right hand side also you can see some kind of ads. Right. So let me go to Instagram. I think you people know about Instagram well than me. So this is about Instagram. So in case of Facebook, okay, in case of Facebook, I can post through desktop also, but in case of Instagram, I can't post things, but I can just see things on Instagram through desktop. In case of mobile, only I can post my things, or it may be images, or it may be videos, whatever it may. Okay, so this is about Instagram. This is also owned by Facebook. You people know about it. So let's go for Instagram. So what kind of media we can see here on Instagram? It is a image based platform.
Photos and videos.
Yes, right. It is mostly image based platform. If you post text, no one will see, guys. Okay, no one will see. So it is mainly an image based platform. Okay, so based on the platform, we have to post our things. If it is some kind of Twitter like such, their text will be having more value when compared to images and all. Okay, so based on the platform, we have to decide what things to post. So Instagram, it is also owned by Facebook. And another thing is, it is the third largest social media platform, and it is growing very fast. Okay, third largest social media platform, which means people are using it more. More people are present on this Instagram. Okay, so uh, what type of things we can post here? We can post photos. We can also see photo ads here. We can also see videos. Okay, you can also see stories like this. Okay, so if you click on these stories and all, okay, so we can keep stories like such. They'll disappear after 24 hours like such. Okay, so like this you can keep photos, videos, and stories. So we cannot post text, only text you can't post. You have to post an image, along with it we can write some text. I think like that itself it works. Okay, so in order to convert our Insta account into business account, okay, Instagram business profile, if you want to convert our Instagram normal personal profile into business profile, we have to link this thing with Facebook business page. We must have a Facebook business page, and we have to link that account with Facebook. Okay, you have to include our phone number, our address in our bio. So if you go here, so in case of account level and all, so you have to give your phone number, you have to give some address and all. Okay, like this you have to give everything. Mm. So you have to give your website name, you have to give your bio so that people can see. So you have to give your email address, phone number, and all you have to give so that it will become a some professional account. And also, okay, you have to link this Instagram business profile with your Facebook business profile or Facebook business page. In case of Facebook, we call it as a page, Facebook business page. But in case of Instagram, we call it as Instagram business profile. So as I said, based on the platform, the terminology will differ, but the meaning will be same almost. Okay. So in this way, we can also promote on Instagram using Facebook. So you can also see ads on Facebook. Let me go to home. Sorry, Instagram. So for each and every 3 to 4 posts, you can also see ads. I think this is an ad. No. So, oh, I'm not seeing any kind of ads. Sorry, I think it will be shown on mobile only. Ads might be displayed on mobile only, James. I think on desktop ads will not be displayed in case of Insta. I think it's okay. So in case of mobile, while you are using, you might be seeing many ads on this thing also. This Instagram also, you'll be seeing ads. Okay. So here, we'll be following various brands. Will be either following individuals so that we can see what they are posting on in case of Instagram. So let's see about the terminology and options in case of Instagram. So in Facebook, we call it as friend request. Okay, what will we call in Insta? We'll follow people.
For followers.
Yes, follows. We'll call as follows. So based on the platform, the terminology will differ, but the thing is same. Okay. So here also we'll be having likes. We'll also share. We'll also be posting stories. So you'll be having fan page followers also. Some fan pages people might be maintaining, and also you'll be having IGTV. Have you seen about IGTV? So here it will be having videos total, I think. So let me search here. So I think this is it. Okay, you'll be having totally videos in case of IGTV. Simply like YouTube, you'll be having only videos in case of IGTV. Here also you can post your videos and all. Okay, so we'll be having followers. Here also you can like and comment. You can comment, we can like. This is comment, and we can share with the people. Okay, so that is about Instagram. Okay, so but we can have a desktop app uh, of Instagram, but we can't post things from PC or desktop. We can only see them. I can't post things. See, I'm not getting any option to post. Only in case of mobile, I can both view. I can post the things also, and also I can see ads on mobile. More and more ads in case of Insta and mobile also. Right. Next platform, I'll be going for Twitter. Okay. So this Twitter is a microblogging network. I say best news network. You'll be getting all the latest news on Twitter, and it will be best news network. Okay, let me go for Twitter also. If you see, this is Twitter. So this is a popular microblogging network and also best news network. All the trending things we can get to know in here in this Twitter. So why I'm calling it as a microblogging network? Why means, okay, we can share messages only up to 280 characters. Okay, in case of Twitter, we can share our content up to 280 characters only. So before it was some 140 characters initially. Later, Twitter people increased it to 280 characters. You can share our text up to 280 characters. Okay, so here in case of Twitter, okay, we call them as tweets, right? In case of Facebook or Insta, we'll call them as posts. Okay, here in case of Twitter, we call them as tweets. Okay, simply the terminology is differing. That's it. So we call them as tweets. So these tweets might include, okay, they might include links. They might be having text. Text is one of the main thing. It plays a major role in case of Twitter. Most of the people will be writing text itself. Okay, text have more importance in case of this Twitter. So in case of Facebook and Instagram, media will be having more importance, like images and videos. Okay, so before there was no option to upload these images and all. Recently Twitter also got this option. We can upload images and videos also in case of Twitter. Okay, so we can also post text, we can also post videos, images, we can also post animated gifs, it seems. We can also post emojis. Okay, so all these things we call them as tweets. So yeah, if you see, you can post images, you can post gifs, we can also run some polls. Okay, this is known as poll. Okay, so we can also run them. We can also post emojis, and we can also schedule it, I think. Okay, see when to send this tweet, when to post this tweet and all, we can schedule it. Okay, so but in case of Facebook, it is a friendly platform. Okay, we can post whatever things we want, but in case of Twitter, be careful, post seriously, be professional in case of Twitter, because the people here will be all politicians or high grade people will be present in Twitter mostly. It might be movie stars or whatever it may be. So be serious in case of Twitter. In case of Facebook, you might take it live. Okay, you might be posting whatever things you want, silly things and all. But in case of Twitter, I suggest to be professional. Okay, so here what we call them, will be having friends or followers in case of Twitter.
Followers.
Yes, in case of Twitter, we have to follow people in order to see their tweets and all. We'll be having followers. And next, we have to tweet. Okay, we'll find some terminology like tweet. You can also retweet. Okay, retweet, we might have heard about it. You can also share their tweets and all. Okay, so if you see, so here this is one ad. Okay, so we can okay, sorry. So this is a retweet symbol. If you want to retweet it, you can do it. So if you want to have any more options, we can go for this symbol. Okay, this is like. Okay, what is this thing? This is for share, I think. Okay, in order to forward or share or retweet, we can go for this thing. Okay, so these are various options present in Twitter. Okay, so if you know hashtags, do people know hashtags? We are using them more in case of Instagram like this.
Yeah.
These hashtags started with Twitter only. Okay, these hashtags started with Twitter only. Even these hashtags plays an important role. Okay, so if you give something like hashtag digital marketing, so what that means is, if someone searches for digital marketing on Instagram or like such, our thing will appear, our post will appear. So hashtags are having much more importance. So use hashtags properly. Okay, so in case of this Twitter also, we can run sponsored ads, but it might be bit costly. In order to run ads on Twitter like this, it might be bit costly. See, this is a promoted one, means this is a sponsored ad. Okay, in the same way, you can also see ads on the right hand side also. Sometimes see, this is also a promoted one. Okay, so on suggestions bar, on trending things, see here also one promoted one. So like this, you can also run ads on Twitter. Okay, so for what kind of businesses it is suitable? The Twitter is mainly suitable for high-end businesses. Okay, why means, okay, here Twitter mostly contains people like movie stars, it may be politicians. Okay, it might be having high-end people. So that's why it is a bit suitable for high-end businesses like interior designers, home automation. Okay, so because celebrities will be tending to spend more amount on, okay, they'll be spending a lot of amount on these things. Okay, so based on your business also, choose the platform. Okay, on which platform you have to promote, get an idea. Okay, so based on the platform and based on the audience it contains, promote your business, right? So that's about Twitter. Any doubts and all?
No, ma'am.
I'll be going for, yes, ask me. Right, so next I'll be going for LinkedIn. Okay, this is also a social media platform. Most of the students know about it, I think. Have you people uploaded your resume on LinkedIn like such? LinkedIn. Yes. So
No, ma'am.
no. Okay. Okay. So
You should create,
this
ma'am.
make it. Mainly, it is suitable for students and job kind of things like such, right? So it is suitable for B2B platform. Okay, business to business. Here, someone might be offering some business, and some people will be taking it. Okay, it may be job offers or it may be business offers, whatever it may be. Okay, it is a kind of B2B platform. So it is primarily used for recruiting purpose, right? It is mainly used for recruiting. Okay, so students, working professionals, okay, this kind of audience will be mostly present in this LinkedIn. Okay, uh, here also we can share posts similar to Facebook. You can also post things here also. Okay, you can also see promoted ads here. See, this is a sponsored ad. So i'll I'll rarely see the ads in case of this LinkedIn. I don't know why. I'll be seeing very rarely. Okay, so because it will be bit costly. Okay, why? Because in case of this LinkedIn, okay, so you'll get the right audience. So in case of Facebook, have you seen any kind of fake profiles like such? Fake profiles or fake names, have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in case of Facebook and
Ma'am.
in case of Insta, as it is, they are kind of still platforms, right? There you might be seeing some kind of fake people also, fake profiles also. Okay, but in case of LinkedIn, people come here to do some business, to gain some money in order to get a job like such. They'll not be okay. They'll not be creating any kind of fake profiles. People will not come to this platform to for time pass. Okay, they'll not come here for a time pass, right? So you'll be getting right audience. Okay, and also the thing is you can target exact audience here. So if you, even if the ad might be bit costly, it might charge you a cost a bit costly amount. Okay, but the thing here is you can get a quality leads here. Why? Because okay, here LinkedIn will be knowing each and everything about the person, right? What is their date of birth? People will be providing correct info here. What is their date of birth? Where they have worked? Okay, well, and what is their name, their years of experience and all, each and every info, bit to bit, each and every info LinkedIn will be knowing. When compared to Facebook, okay, Facebook will be knowing about our date of birth, our interest like such, but in case of LinkedIn, okay, it will be knowing about our education, it will be knowing about our experience, it will be knowing about where we are working, okay, whether we are looking for a job or not. Okay, so what is our date of birth, every detail, pin to pin, every detail LinkedIn will be having. While creating a LinkedIn profile, will be giving all these things to LinkedIn. That's why in case of LinkedIn, we can target exact audience and also we'll get quality leads. In case of LinkedIn, I'll assure you that we'll be getting a quality leads. But the thing is, the ads, the promotions might be bit costly. Okay, so in this way we can also promote on LinkedIn. Okay, so what things we can share on LinkedIn? So similar to Facebook, we can also share photos, videos, we can also share text. Okay, like that we can do all these things. We can also like and comment them. Okay, so here we can also like them, comment them, share them, send to anyone. Okay, we can do all these things on LinkedIn also. So do you know the terminology in LinkedIn, what we call friends here? We call them as connections. Okay, so in case of LinkedIn, we call them as connections. So in order to connect with anyone, we have to send a request. It is known as connect. Okay, connect, connections. You'll also be hearing about like, share, comment. We can also have groups here. Okay, we can also have a business page. Okay, so uh, in order to run some ads and all, okay, we can have a business page also. We should have some a company page. In case of Facebook, we call it as a business page. Here in case of LinkedIn, we have a company page. Why? Because so here people come here for recruiting, right? So some companies will be recruiting people. So if you want to, if they want to promote ads and like such, okay, so that's why they created a company page. For a company, you can create a page that is known as company page. With the help of this page, we can run ads on LinkedIn also. So if we have this page, we will be having some extra advantages. I'll be discussing about them when I'm teaching you about this LinkedIn ads and all. Okay, so another advantage with LinkedIn is we can target specific person also. We can target specific person and we can show our ads like CEO of Godrej. Okay, like that we can target specifically because there will be no fake accounts and all. We can easily target them by choosing a specific person and specific company also we can target. The targeting will be very narrower and will be getting quality leads in case of LinkedIn. That's an advantage with LinkedIn. Okay, so next platform is okay Pinterest, right? So what is this Pinterest? Pinterest is a image based search engine. Okay, so what is Google then? What we see on Google mostly, if we search for anything on Google, what we get first? Text, right?
Text.
In case of text, so that's why it is a text based search engine. Okay, but Pinterest, it is a image based search engine. It will have only images. So if you search for anything also, it will be displayed with images only. Okay, that is an advantage with Pinterest. It is an image based search engine. Okay, if people want to buy anything or if people want to book any hotels or resorts like such, okay, so we can post it here. As we know much about this Pinterest in off page optimization and all. Okay, so I no need to say much about this thing. But the thing is, so we can create a pin like we'll be having images, we can post videos like this. Okay, we can also post links. So if you click on this thing, we'll be having a link, and if you click on this particular thing, we'll be navigated to their website. In this way also we can okay, we can target people. I mean, we can target or we can also promote our business. On this Pinterest also we can run ads. Okay, we can run ads on this Pinterest also. But the thing is, okay, in case of India we can't run. In some countries like America and all, or some other countries we can run ads with the help of Pinterest. But in India we can't run ads with the help of Pinterest. That this is a disadvantage for us. Okay, so here we can post images, and we have also seen that they'll be displayed on HDR. That is an advantage with Pinterest, right? Okay, so here in Pinterest we call these things as pins. Okay, so we call these things as pins. In case of Facebook posts, here we call them as pins. So the groups we create are known as boards. We can allot all these pins under a board. Okay, so these are known as pins and boards. This will all be, there will all be images in Pinterest. Okay, this is also a one of the social media platforms. Okay, this is also one of the social media platforms where we can promote. But the thing is, we can't promote. Okay, we can't promote, I mean, we can't run ads in India with the help of this Pinterest. That is a disadvantage for us. Okay, next thing is YouTube. So right, YouTube is also a social media platform. Okay, so it is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, the first largest search engine is Google, second one is YouTube. Okay, so for videos it will be having mostly videos. It is a video based platform. Okay, okay, after Google people are searching more in YouTube only itself. So YouTube is also one of the best place to gain some traffic. Okay, it is a good place to advertise, good place to increase our branding. Okay, not, and also it is a good place to bring traffic to our website. Okay, so in order to promote on YouTube, okay, you must have a YouTube channel. Okay, you must have a YouTube channel like this, and you have to start posting on YouTube. Okay, so while viewing any videos like such, you might also have seen some ads on YouTube. Okay, with the help of Google Ads we can promote our business on YouTube also, right? So we have seen about it in Google Ads. So we have to give proper title, proper description and all in order to reach more and more people. So in case of YouTube, we'll be seeing terminology like channel. So subscribers, if you subscribe to the particular channel, we'll be getting notification whenever they post a new video like such. So we'll also we can also like that video. We can also share that video to our friends, and we can also comment. Okay, comment on that video whether it is good, bad. If you want anything like that, you can do all these things with YouTube. So I'll say is YouTube is one of the best platforms to bring traffic to your website, best platform to create a brand awareness. Okay, and on the other way, you can also promote on YouTube, and at the same time, you can earn from YouTube also. So we'll be seeing in detail about YouTube, how to create a channel, how to gain some subscribers, tips to gain them. Okay, how to work all these things and all. I'll be showing you later. Okay, so these are all various platforms we'll be learning about, and also I'll be saying about Quora. Okay, have you seen Quora? So in case of off-page optimization, we have seen about it. So Quora is a question and answer platform, right? So people will be posting questions and some will be answering them, right? So in case of Quora also, okay, it is mainly a text-based platform again. Okay, so text, we can also post images here. Okay, so in case of Quora also we can run ads, we can advertise. Okay, we can advertise in case of Quora also. So we can also promote our questions and answer. If you might have answered any question, if you want to promote that answer to multiple people or to huge number of audience, we can promote that particular answer also. Okay, it is another advantage with the help of Quora. So we'll also be seeing how to run ads on Quora also. Okay, so I'm trying for advertisement. I think this is a sponsored. See, this is an advertisement. Okay, in this way you can promote both image and text, or else you can only promote your answer. Okay, the text, image. Okay, whatever it may be, you can also promote it with the help of Quora. We can also do remarketing and retargeting kind of things on all these platforms, guys. Okay, we can also do retargeting in at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, and all. We can do wherever people will go. We can show our ads there. Okay, whether it may be social media or whether it may be other websites. Okay, but the platform will differ. Okay, in case of other websites, if you want to retarget people on other websites, you will be going through Google Ads. If you want to retarget people on Facebook, we'll be running Facebook ads. Okay, like that, based on the platform. By using that platform's advertising strategies and all, we can retarget people also. So in all these platforms, will be learning in future. We'll be learning how to promote our things and all. Okay, so I'm not saying much about Quora because you people know about it in case of off-page optimization and all. In simple, I'll say that it is a question and answer platform. Okay, so people will be posting something and we can answer them. We will also be getting many answers in Quora. If you search on SCRP also, these answers will get displayed most of the times. Okay, so now,
We can get links, no ma'am, backlinks to.
yes, we can also get links. Okay, we can also get links here. If people click on them, they'll be navigating to our website. You can get some traffic to our website also through Quora. Okay, in this that is one kind of SEO thing, right? Free of cost we're getting. So in the same way, we can also give some money to Quora and we can do advertising also. All the things is possible with all these platforms. You can do marketing, right? So now, the thing is, here either in case of Facebook, Insta, or YouTube, or whatever it may be, okay. So in order to promote our ads or in order to post about your business, we must have some creatives, okay. We must have some creatives like images, right? So if you want to promote our business, you have to know how to make these creatives like images, videos. So we can also promote GIFs, right? GIFs, animations also we can promote. Okay, so in order to make all these things, we have to know either Photoshop, Corel Draw, like these things. Okay, but we can go for either graphic designers or we can also create them with help of some tools. Okay, there are some tools like Canva, Banner Snack, and all. Okay, so with the help of these tools, we can create all these images, videos, GIFs, and animations for free, and we can post them or we can use them for our advertising things. Okay, so we'll be learning how to create these images, videos, GIFs, animations, and all. Okay, all these things in our next class. Okay, in the coming classes, I'll be teaching you how to make these images and all, how to make use of these platforms. Okay, in order to create all these things. All right. So now let's see social media optimization. Okay, so if you want to promote a business for free, okay, or if you want to promote things for free, So it is known as social media optimization. So in case of normal things like Google, okay, in case of Google, if you want to bring our website to top of SERP for free of cost, okay, free of cost, then we'll be going for SEO, right? Search engine optimization. In the same way, okay, so if you want to bring traffic to our websites, okay, from social media through free of cost, it is known as social media optimization. In short, we'll call it as SMO. Okay, it may be SMO or social media optimization. So again, I'm saying bringing traffic to our websites from social media platforms through free of cost, it's known as social media optimization. So in the same way, if we bring traffic to our websites, okay, from social media by paying something, okay, by paid methods, it is known as social media marketing, which is known as SMM. Okay, so this thing helps to create brand awareness. We can also attract people to our website and all, because we'll be posting things. Okay, so here if we post things that is liked by people, okay, have to post in such a way that they are interested, then only people will click on them and they'll navigate to our website. So okay, this is about social media optimization, and I'll say some tips, okay, how to post your things and all. Okay, first thing is push and pull strategy. Okay, what is this push and pull strategy? So first, like others post, then obviously they will like you. Okay, they'll like yours. So if others are posting anything, please like it. If you like for 10 times, obviously they will like your post from next onwards. They might not be liking your post. Okay, so after you keep on liking their post, okay, they'll start liking your post also. This is known as push and pull strategy. Okay, so if they like your post, then your post might get displayed to him, and also along with him his friends also might see your post. Like this, the reach will increase. So always go for push and pull strategy. What will happen if you like a post? It's okay to like, you'll not lose with anything, right? So give a like, right? So next thing is 80 by 20 rule. Okay, what is this 80 by 20 rule? Mhm. So always post, okay, 80% of times always post some entertaining things. Okay, 80% of the time please post entertaining things. Okay, entertainment, give some entertainment to people. Only 20% of the time promote your things. Okay, 20% promotion, 20% promotion, and 80% of entertainment. If you entertain people, then only they will like your ads and all also. Okay, they like about your promotion also. If all the time you'll be saying, like you'll be posting like buy my product, will they buy? They'll also be having some interest, right? They might be liking some jokes. They might be liking some videos, funny videos like that. Post such kind of things also, like post jokes. Okay, also post quote of the day, like such, give some good quotes, so entertain people. So uh, post some facts, post some funny gifs, funny videos. Okay, entertain people. The main thing is you have to entertain people. Okay, post some viral videos, some videos might be trending, post them. Okay, so like this way we have to entertain people, then only you can go for promotion. All the day if you go for promotion, no one will see your things. So 80% of the time please entertain people, entertain your audience. Okay, and then 20% of the time go for promoting your business or promoting your products and all. And another thing is, here you can copy things, guys. So you can go for some other pages. Okay, so there might be many pages here. If you search here, you can go, right, search like jokes, funny. Okay, like that you can go for some pages. You can simply copy their post and you can post it on your own page, like such. Okay, there are no copyright issues in case of Facebook and Instagram. In case of Google, If you are copying some image like that, there might be a copyright issue. But in case of Facebook, there is no copyright issues. Okay, so you can happily go for some sarcasm kind of thing. Okay, some kind of pages, some kind of uh, funny pages and all. They might be posting all the funny content itself. Go to their pages. Okay, go to their pages, copy some post which you like, and you can post it on your Facebook pages also. There will be no copyright issues. Okay, in this way you can entertain your people, right? And next thing is, okay, make use of hashtags. Use them in a proper way, guys. Use them in a proper way. Hashtags must be used properly. Okay, in Instagram, either it may be on Facebook. Okay, hashtags are important. While pasting, or sorry, while posting anything, use hashtags. Don't go for using numerous hashtags. Please use 2 or 3 hashtags, so that they are more appropriate to your topic and your post. Okay, so if someone searches for that particular thing, okay, your post may appear to them. So that is the advantage of hashtags. Another thing is join groups. Okay, join some groups, so that if you post anything, the people present in those groups also will be able to see your things. Okay, so join groups, conduct some contacts, conduct some polls. Okay, like gifts and all. Okay, so if you see, people might be running some contests like, please share my post to 100 people and you'll be receiving a gift, right? So it is a kind of free promotion. So he'll be giving him a gift of some 100 rupees like such. But if he is promoting for 100 people, not only one person will be doing that, some thousands of people will be doing that thing in order to gain some gift, right? So if he is giving a 1,000 rupees gift, he is getting a free promotion of some 5,000 rupees like such, right? So go for polls, conduct contests like such, so that you'll be getting many promotions also. So keep asking questions, so people will be interacting with you if you ask so many interesting questions like that. Okay, people will comment, people will interact with you, will gain some audience again. Okay, and also post your links while you are promoting. Okay, while you are promoting, post your links also, so that if they click, they will be navigating to your website like such. Okay, so like this, keep your link also. Okay, so if someone click on that link, they'll be redirecting to your website. Sometimes your website URL might be too lengthy. Okay, like sangeeta.techcourses.com slash home slash codes like that, it might be too lengthy. The page you are trying to navigate your people might be too lengthy, so you can also shorten the URL. Okay, like by using a tool called Bitly. Okay, you can also shorten the URL. The thing is, simply you have to give your website name. See, if you see, this is a too lengthy URL. Okay, so what you have to do is simply copy the URL, paste here, and simply uh, get the shortened URL like such. So you can copy this URL. This is the shortened URL. If you copy it, and you can promote it wherever you want. Okay, so simply give your link, click on shorten. So I'll give this link, some link I'm giving. Okay, okay, this is somewhat lengthy link, right? I'll go here and I'll give it. So shorten. Simply you'll get a shortened link. You can post it everywhere. When we click on this link also, you'll be navigating to my YouTube channel itself. Okay, so let me show you. So if I post it here, so whether people click on that link also, they'll be navigating to your YouTube channel page only. Okay, so in this way, you can shorten your URL also for a good look and feel. That's it. Okay, so people will not feel clumsy about it. Okay, it will be looking short, and they'll be navigating to your website. In this way, you can shorten your URL also. So, and also the thing is, time of posting is also important. The time when you are posting. Okay, so, and also how frequently you are posting is also important. Please post frequently, so that you'll gain more audience. If you are posting frequently, you'll get more followers and more subscribers. So please do some research, start posting. Okay, so observe the time of posting, when you are getting more likes, when you are getting more comments, when people are interacting with your ad more. Okay, so if it is Facebook after 6 o'clock like that, people will be free from morning 9 to 6. They'll be on some office work like such, they'll not be seeing Facebook like such. Okay, so you have to observe that thing, you have to research, and you have to know when you should post and all, the time of posting, the day of posting like that. Please observe that things also. And the next thing is you have to post frequently. Okay, so that you can gain more customers or more subscribers, it may be more followers, more friends like such. Okay, so uh, the next thing is the important thing. Okay, so social media handles availability. If you are buying a domain, okay, I said about this thing before also, please check for social media handles availability. You can go for either namechecker.com or other platforms, okay, and check whether the social media handles are available or not. Okay, why? Because, okay, so let's think that your website name is some DigiReady, and that particular social media handles, here social media handles means usernames. Okay, in case of Facebook we'll call it as a username, Facebook username, right? So the usernames must be available with same website name, then the promotion will become easy. We are taking some DigiReady, and if you are promoting about on some other username, people cannot recognize you easily. So whenever you are going to buy a domain and all, okay, please make sure, okay, please make sure that the same social, the usernames are available with same domain name itself, so that the promoting thing will be easy for you also. Okay, so follow all these things in case of social media optimization. So if you want to gain more reach for your posts, or more reach for your videos and all, okay, by free of cost, without incurring any cost, if you want to get more reach, if you want your business to reach more people, then try all these social media optimization techniques or social media optimization tips. Okay, so this is about social media optimization. If you want to drive more traffic to your website from social media platforms without incurring any cost or without paying anything to those platforms, it is known as social media optimization. Then if you are getting traffic to this social media optimization, then why should I go for social media marketing? So why? Because, okay, so this will not be reaching more people. As you have a 5K friend limit, it will take more time. Like SEO, it will also take more time in order to get more friends, in order to gain more followers. Will SEO will also be taking. Okay, it is like SEO only, right? SMO. Okay, social media optimization also will be taking more time. In order to promote our business as soon as possible, we will be going for social media marketing. Okay, so we'll be seeing about the social media marketing techniques and all, how to do marketing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora. Okay, all these things we'll be learning in further classes. Please create an account in all these platforms. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever it may be, please create accounts by tomorrow. That's about today's class.